多謝晒咁多位今日嚟到呢度支持呢一套電影，多謝晒。
This story is about half of the Hong Kong Alpha refugees, and the second half is a hot button issue. Why this issue and why now?
好，唔該晒。咁我見到你呢部電影就係話有可能即係攞其他嘅難民或者即係其他嘅香港人嘅經歷去寫低咁樣呢個劇本。咁我想問導演你有冇可能即係將自己個人嘅經歷亦都即係寫入去呢個劇本裡面啊？
有㗎，佢裏邊有好多係我自己嘅一啲經歷，咁我將佢或者自己一啲嘅感受，然後將佢擺咗喺電影入邊。當然大部分都係做好多 research， 咁但係好難免喺裏邊會有我自己嘅嘢入邊。
What is your next step after this movie? Like what do you want to do further than screening with this movie? Because it's a really good movie, and I feel like it could bring a lot to the people as well.
我諗作為一個電影導演，佢係好相信電影嘅力量啦。咁我只能夠希望個電影可以走去更多嘅地方，俾更多人即係接觸到更多嘅人啦。咁可以觸動到嘅其他人。咁呢個係我最大嘅心願。
咁你以前都有記者啦，咁其實由而家即係由記者轉咗去做導演，咁你將幾多嘅一啲真實嘅個案啦，擺咗喺呢個電影裏邊，然後同埋你點樣去平衡翻嗰個真實同埋嗰個劇情嗰個需要咧？其實
我做記者嘅時間好長啦，長過電影好多啦。咁我自己有個體會就係我做咗電影之後，我發現有個好基本嘅唔同，即係做一個好嘅新聞，你係擺張面玻璃俾其他人睇到玻璃背後發生嘅嘢，嗰啲嘢係人哋嘅事，係人哋發生嘅嘢，可能同你冇關。咁但係你會因為透過呢個玻璃睇到發生咗乜嘢嘅事實，然後你自己做出你自己嘅決定。咁電影我自己發現，如果一套好嘅電影，佢係擺咗一塊鏡，嗰塊鏡係俾觀眾可以睇到自己，投入咗自己，甚至產生種好強大嘅共鳴。咁所以我喺寫呢個劇本或者我做呢個電影嘅時候，我有運用到記者嘅工作。譬如做訪問啊，做好多嘅訪問去核實裏邊嘅一啲好基本嘅事實，譬如個難民嗰個 debit card，佢究竟係幾多錢咧？佢係點樣用嘅咧？你見到裏邊好多資訊喺入邊，嗰啲都係 factual 嘅嘢。咁我想呢啲嘢我唔會搞錯，我都要 verify。嗰張卡係點樣樣，我都要 verify。喺監獄裏邊，佢哋嘅遭遇，嗰個即係Nigerian 嗰個人嘅遭遇係真實嘅事件嚟嘅。咁我將佢擺咗喺電影入邊。
Very well done.
Thank you， 多謝你。係咪
I'm over 75, and I still come to watch your movie. It's very good.
Thank you.
Was there any cast that were actual refugees in real life?
有啊，裏邊其中阿富汗嗰個女仔哈舒巴就係真正嘅難民嚟嘅，佢係喺阿富汗走難去伊朗，然後最後就而家喺澳洲，佢係一個真正嘅難民。咁另外做 reception 嗰個烏克蘭嘅女人，佢都係烏克蘭嘅難民嚟嘅。咁另外有幾個配角係 Kurdish 嚟嘅，係庫爾德族嘅難民嚟嘅。
我相信好多人都會下次即係有機會再睇嘅話，要帶定紙巾。sorry， 我真係好感謝吳導演，多謝。
咁呢套戲除咗喺英國公映，仲會唔會喺其他地方，或者甚至你會睇下有冇可能喺香港上演到？
咁嚟緊喺北美同埋澳洲會上啦，咁跟住台灣啦。咁我自己嘅心願咧就係而家我哋英國巡迴緊，跟住巡迴到北美、澳洲、台灣甚至日本。我希望嗰個終點站喺香港呢個巡迴。
So we hope that the final destination will be in Hong Kong, but there's a different screening around the world at the moment, the plan.
係
喺個故事上有冇話 Yasmin 道長去咗邊度，或者係佢個下場係點樣嘅咧？唔該晒。
呢套電影最後剪輯嘅時候係專登剪走個結尾嘅。好，咁啊，多謝大家，我哋要交翻個場俾戲院，多謝晒。咁如果係覺得好嘅，分享俾朋友睇下佢哋喺其他場次會唔會可以睇到。